Welcome to this video where I'll guide you through how to create new paragraphs in Overleaf using LaTeX. Whether you're a seasoned user or just starting out, understanding how to format text properly is essential to make your documents look professional and polished. Today, we'll explore two simple methods to insert new paragraphs in your LaTeX documents within Overleaf. First, let's talk about the most straightforward and widely used method to start a new paragraph in LaTeX. This method involves simply pressing the Enter key twice on your keyboard. By doing this, you create a completely blank line between your blocks of text. This is not only the absolute best way to ensure clarity and readability in your code, but it also keeps your document looking clean and organized. The LaTeX compiler recognizes this blank line as a signal to end the current paragraph and begin a new one. It's a natural, intuitive approach that mirrors how you might visually separate thoughts in any word processor. Now, let's consider why this method is so effective. By using blank lines, you maintain the visual integrity of your code, which can be particularly helpful when you're collaborating with others. It makes your document sections distinct and easy to navigate. Also, when revisiting your code later, blank lines provide a simple way to quickly identify where one paragraph ends and another begins, making editing much more efficient. However, it's important to remember that excessive use of blank lines might lead to unnecessary white space in your code, so use this method judiciously to balance clarity and conciseness. But what if you prefer to keep your code compact and avoid leaving blank lines? In that case, LaTeX offers another handy tool, the \par command. To use this method, simply type \par at the end of your current paragraph. This command explicitly tells the LaTeX compiler to end the current paragraph and start a new one with the following sentence. It's a great option if you like keeping your code visually tight without the need to scroll through blank lines. The \par command can be particularly useful in documents where space is at a premium or when you're dealing with large blocks of text where consistent formatting is critical. It ensures that your code remains neat and compact while still providing clear directives to the compiler about paragraph breaks. This approach is beneficial for those who prefer a more code-centric view of their document structure and are comfortable with LaTeX commands. Now, a quick tip for those who are new to LaTeX or Overleaf: practice makes perfect. Spend some time experimenting with both methods to see which one suits your workflow and document style best. Don't be afraid to mix and match methods within the same document, especially if certain sections benefit from varied formatting. Remember, the goal is to create a document that is both visually appealing and easy to read. In summary, starting a new paragraph in Overleaf using LaTeX can be done effortlessly by either pressing Enter twice to create a blank line or using the \par command at the end of a paragraph. Each method has its own advantages, so feel free to choose the one that best aligns with your personal style and project needs. Thank you for watching this tutorial on creating new paragraphs in Overleaf. I hope you found these tips helpful and that they enhance your document creation process. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials on Overleaf and LaTeX. Happy writing!